Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. Okay, so today class we are going to discuss about the what? We are going to discuss about the check constraint, guys. Okay, check constraint. What is check constraint? Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so in my previous video, I have discussed about the unique key constraint and not null constraint. Okay, in this video we are going to, okay, if you don't watch that videos, okay, I'm strongly recommend to watch that videos, guys. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about the check constraint. Okay, check constraint. Okay, what is the check constraint? Okay, check constraint, it validate the condition, guys. Okay, it validate the condition on column. Okay, suppose there is a age column. Okay, so there is a age column, suppose user enter, so suppose minus 50. Okay, so suppose there is a student age. Okay, so check constraint will check the condition. Okay, age. Okay, so it will check the condition and it validate the condition. If it is valid, then only the values will be inserted. Okay, so check constraint will validate the condition. Okay, it will validate the condition on a column. Okay, you can specify the condition on a column, guys. Okay, you can specify the condition on a column. Okay, and it will validate, and then okay, if the results is true, okay, if the results, okay, boolean condition. Okay, the condition you can say it's a boolean expression, guys. Okay, the condition you can say that's a boolean expression. If the condition is true, then only the values will be allowed, otherwise the values will not be allowed. Okay, suppose there is a student table, there is a student roll number, and age is there. So age, okay, you have to allow only age greater than 3 and age less than, student age less than 20. Okay, then only they will allow, otherwise okay, suppose if you enter age, student age 50, whether it is take, no, it should not take. Okay, so without check constraint it will take, guys. Okay, that we will check and then we'll see. Okay, without check constraint it will allow. Okay, let's see the what is the problem, why check constraint is come in a picture. Okay, why, what is the reason, why what is the reason check constraint will come into the picture? Okay, suppose I create a table, that is student table. Okay, create a table. Okay, table name tbl student, case. Okay, tbl student. Okay, so in student we have a roll number. Okay, roll number integer. Okay, comma, and age. Okay, age is there. I'm not creating any constraint now. Okay, age integer and then close, guys. Okay, age integer and close. Okay, so try to execute it. Okay, so there is no restrictions now, we can enter any kind of data now. Okay, insert into, okay, insert into this tbl student. Okay, this tbl student, and then values. Okay, values. Okay, that may be 1 comma age maybe minus 180. Okay, so there is no rule, right? So we can insert. Okay, values smiss. Okay, so values. Okay, so just execute it. Okay, and then see the results. Okay, it's executed. Okay, it has been taken, guys. Okay, the results has been taken. Okay, okay, I have explained what are the constraints we have and all, and the detailed explanation, okay, about the check constraint and all. Okay, check constraint, primary key, foreign key, and in my previous video. So okay, if you don't watch that, okay, I'm strongly recommend to watch that video, guys. Okay, okay, so this is allowing, okay, to overcome the result. Okay, to overcome that. Okay, so we can keep the condition on age column, guys. Okay, you can keep the condition on age column. Okay, let me drop this, drop table name. Okay, let me drop it and then execute it. Okay, comment it. Okay, you can comment it, and now here we will write a check constraint, guys. Okay, so after this also you can write, okay, check constraint. Okay, so age greater than what, age greater than 3 and age less than 20. So then only they can able to enter the data. Okay, otherwise you can specify beside here also you can specify, guys. Okay, check constraint. Okay, check check constraint, and you can specify the condition. Okay, so there also you can specify, and here also you can specify. Anywhere is fine. Okay, hope you understand. Let me execute it. Okay, let me execute it. Execute. Okay, it's executed. Now if you try to insert this value, okay, it will give the check constraint. See, the insert conflicts with the check constraint case. Okay, so it will not allow values. Okay, on a age column. Okay, hope that clear. Okay, now you can enter. Okay, suppose if you try to enter 2, okay, age, so age is 2. Suppose it, if you are entering age 2, no, it will not take. Okay, so greater than 3 means 4 it will take. Okay, 4 it will take, and up to how many? Up to 19 it will take. 19. Okay, it's executed. See, okay, so that is the condition, guys. Okay, that is the condition we are applying on a age. Okay, so check constraint will check the condition. Okay, check constraint check the condition, and then it will insert the values. Okay, so now we are able to insert the values. Okay, suppose if you try to keep the 14, okay, it will take no problem. Okay, so it will take no problem. Okay, and 4 also it will take no problem. Once again it will 4. Okay, so students may have the different same age, right? So that is the reason same age it will take, but the thing is it will not allow this condition. Okay, if it is not meet that condition, okay, if you try to keep, okay, less than 2, something like that, okay, less than 2, or above 20 values, if you insert, it will not take. Okay, so okay, so if you try, you created a table, but you forgot to add a constraint. Okay, after that, how to add the constraint? Okay, now let me drop this table. Okay, let me drop this table. Okay, and then okay, so let me remove this check constraint. Okay, remove this check constraint, and then okay, so let's execute the table. Okay, so table has been created now. Okay, there is no check constraint now, so we are adding the check constraint. Okay, so we are adding the check constraint. Alter table. Okay, table name. What is the table name?
Good morning, Baba. I'm sorry for the late join.
Okay, yeah. So, and so we are altering a table and adding a constraint case. Okay, adding a constraint. Okay, constraint name. Okay, constraint and check constraint, right? Check constraint means ck. Okay, underscore the student table, on which column you are adding? Age. Okay, age. Okay, and then check constraint. Okay, and then condition. What is the condition you want to specify? Okay, age less than, sorry, age greater than 4 and age less than 20. Okay, so now you can add like constraint like this also. Okay, now you can execute it. So it will take the data. Sorry, I didn't select properly. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so execute it. Okay, so why it is not taking? Okay, greater than 4. Okay, this time I specified greater than 4 guys. Okay, it will not taking the 4 value. Okay, so now I can keep 5. It will take. Okay, sorry. Okay, execute it. Okay, this is about the check constraints. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, if you, so tomorrow we'll discuss about the primary key, foreign key in detail. Okay, and also we'll check, we'll discuss about the default constraint. Okay, that's